Ciao svima, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stefan. You can find me on Instagram by the name stefanttt or in English stefanttt. And today I'm going to react to the song that will represent Italy in Eurovision Song Contest 2022. So, if you want to know what I think about this song and the performance, and what is my final rating of it from 1 to 10, keep on watching. So after a whole week of celebrating the flawless Remo festival, Italy has finally decided to provide us with a brand new representative for Eurovision. Now, this guy is not really a brand new representative because he already went to Eurovision in 2019 with the song Soldi. Of course, I'm talking about Mahmood, which is one of the rare artists who really made the name out of himself. He really became well known in Europe and dare I say even worldwide. Because of the songs such as Dorado, Barrio, Clan, we can basically say that Mahmood is a hit maker in Europe, and this is definitely with a good background because he is one of the most charismatic people I actually saw on Eurovision. He is so cool. But this time, he is not doing it alone. We got a duet with Blanco, and they will represent Italy with a song called Brividi. I don't know much about Blanco, but hopefully he will be as charismatic as Mahmood and he will spark interest in all of us to discover more about him and his music after Eurovision and even now. Translated into English, Brividi means shivers or chills, and you know that a lot of Eurovision songs, you can even see that on my channel, actually make me feel these. Now, is this going to be the song that's gonna be one of those that I'm like, oh, I feel chills all over my body? Let's see it right now. We didn't have a double win in decades. Is Italy going to achieve that? As they should be. This was nice. This was pretty good. Alright guys, I'm just going to quickly watch the national final performance and I will be right back. Alright, after watching that, I can definitely say that I prefer the outfits from the final night. I hope that they will come up with something like that when it comes to Eurovision. What are my final thoughts of the song? It is such a beautiful ballad. As I was saying through the reaction, their voices harmonize in the most beautiful way, even though they're completely different voices. Both of the guys are extraordinary cool. I'm actually quite glad that we didn't get to see Mahmood by himself this time around. You know, I don't have anything against when artists come back, but this really feels fresh. Even though we saw Mahmood before, this feels like a brand new thing and I love it. Beautiful song. Already hits the charts worldwide. A friend told me that it actually is on the Spotify top 10 global list, which is a big thing. Not a lot, maybe not even one Eurovision song actually managed to do that. So this is already a success by itself. Now, when it comes to Eurovision, this is the type of song that may win. I can see the reaction of many people. A lot of people are going crazy about the song. Italians are very proud. The foreigners love it. And this could win both the juries and televoting. And that may probably happen in May. When it comes to my personal impression, for me, this is not something that I haven't heard before. For me, it lacks some grand factor. Maybe it's because I don't understand the lyrics, but it doesn't have the raw emotion that, for example, Duncan Lawrence had with his ballad. Still a beautiful thing. I read the text, and it is about unconventional love. It is about the freedom to love, especially about those people who are not able to express their love. Plus, it has this catchy word, brividi, that keeps repeating in the song, which will be easy for us, the people who don't understand the lyrics, to remember and to feel the song right here. So, brividi, brividi, brividi. Plus, the melody is wonderful. It really feels like a symphonic thing. As I said before, like a piece in the movie, the ending scene where two people are finally getting together and you know, the tension and the emotions, everything explode and they're probably back together. Let's hope this is a happy end because they were also happy in the end of that performance. For now, this is definitely my favorite, but when I compare it to the previous years, this would not be, for example, if this is the song from 2021, this would be maybe in my top 7, but it would not be the winner. For now, this is the winner of the songs that we have at the moment. Hopefully other countries will wake up and that they will send something inspiring. Italy definitely did, and for that, congratulations and thank you. What is my final rating of this going to be? Drum rolls, please. So my final rating for Brividi is going to be a 9. When I say Brividi, I need to say R for Brividi, like some Russian guy, Serbian guy. It's not a big of a difference. Nevertheless, I really love the song. I enjoyed the music. It is a really artistic, wonderful piece, and therefore it's a 9. It's not gonna be a 10 for me. Maybe if I start listening to it more and it really goes into my head, but it lacks something grand for me to be a 10. It doesn't move me as much. It's not on Jean Tier's level. It is beautiful, but still not a bang. Alright everybody, that will be it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of Eurovision content. And please tell me, what are your opinions about this song and the performance and the emotion about the song? I want to hear everything from you because I'm really reading it all. I have nothing smarter to do. Thank you so much. Don't hesitate to comment and see you in the next video, which is probably going to be Israel. See ya!